This is the ORILE Iron Market. This market is located, as the name implies, at ORILE. This is the only market where you have to sell or buy building materials at a very cheap price. This market is very popular in Lagos, Nigeria, because most people come here to get building materials and also sell materials that they have gotten from a demolished property or materials they don't need again. They come here to sell it. In this place, you can buy all sorts of building materials, starting from irons to pipes and also roofing materials. The only thing that is not being sold here is wood. As the name implies, ORILE Iron Market, you definitely don't expect wood to be sold here. If you are coming here to get items for your buildings, be rest assured that you are getting the best price, as long as you are ready to buy the items immediately, because there are so many vendors who are at your doorstep waiting for you to come into the shop. Me myself, I've been here quite some time, and I could tell you for real, the price here are so nice, because if shop A tells you 12 iron costs for 1,000 naira, believe me, the next shop is also telling you the same price. The competition here is very high, and the demands and supply are also high, and that is why here always stand out in terms of building materials. ORILE is a very popular place in Lagos, not only known for its market but also for the streets and the ruggedness of the environment. People who were born and brought up in ORILE seems to have different vibe to life, and that is why they always seems to be so strong and referred to as Heart of Lagos. ORILE is located in the mainland part of Lagos. Let me give you a quick direction in case you're hoping to come to this market. For instance, you're coming from the island. Once you get to CMS, all you need to do is take a bus going to Mile 2 and tell them you're stopping at ORILE. The moment you stop at ORILE, by your left hand side is the ORILE Iron Market. And if you couldn't locate the market by just looking, be free to ask a question, as people around the environment seems to be friendly because they want to make you a customer, and even those who don't have a shop are likely to take you to somewhere where you will buy the items you want, and they will get a commission for those items you bought, not from you but from the seller. So when you are coming here to buy items, be rest assured that you won't be scammed, and any item you buy here, if you think the items are not really what you want, or after taking the items home they didn't meet your requirements, bring them back and they will definitely take them from you. And if you have a building that has been demolished and the irons are out, or you were building your property and some materials were remaining, just be rest assured that when you come to this place, it will be scaled and you'll be paid in a ransom way. I once came here to sell a door which was removed from my previous apartment because it was of no use. The door has been sitting down beside the gate for over 4 weeks to 5 weeks before a friend of mine reminded me of this place, so I decided to bring it. The transport bringing the door to this place was much, and I was thinking, would I even get the value back? Will I be able to get my transport fare back? But I just decided to take the risk, and when I came here, I was able to sell the item very well because they were not pricing it just because of what they are saying. They have to weigh the item, and depending on the kilogram, that is what you get paid. I really got value for my item and I was impressed. I took some numbers of sellers and dealers here, but I will only post the number if you comment that you need a number, and I will drop them immediately on the comments or under your own comment to be sure you are the one who's getting it. And in case you have other plans in doing business into iron or building materials, you can come here to seek advices from these men who do this business, and they will willingly help you out. As you can see, most of the dealers here are married men, and also a lot of young boys who are hustling here, like carrying the loads you just bought and also taking you to a shop to get the items you need. Don't be scared of price, because any price they tell you here is the same price you're gonna get it anywhere, or maybe lesser. My name is Emmanuel Bernard. If you find this video interesting, kindly make sure to subscribe to my channel, share this video with your loved ones, and also follow me for more content. See you on the next one. For now, goodbye.